Michael White. Gotta bring them bricks in for real. You know what I'm saying? My old cool hit the road, go get them bitches for me, bring them back to the city. He know right there waiting on them. I'm at the truck, we pushing it out. They know how I do this shit for real. The youngest nigga in the city with the condo posted, trapping out that bitch I couldn't be fucked with. I'm still moving right now, the lowest in the city. Got a house built off the ground, they never seen my shit. Won't nobody know where I lay my head at. So many people mad and I'm helping pay their bills. I give a fuck about it, know how I feel about this shit. So many scraps around a nigga crib right now. So much, why the fuck up your eyesight for real? So much, why the fuck up your nose of being real? I'm in the crib watching Ghost right now, getting it gone. I'm in the crib right now, tell that nigga hit my phone. Don't make the move unless I feel like doing this shit. I don't make the move unless I feel like doing that shit. So many compartments in my motherfucking truck. So many compartments in my motherfucking flow. So many hotter spots, I swear I been real. When I hit that highway, I'm making it right back to the crib. Tell Granny to open the door up right now. She know I got so much shit stashed right now. If so shit go wrong, everybody's straight right now. There's so many pills to lay around this bitch right now. So many scraps coming in, I can't stop this shit. So many bricks, I don't know if I'ma ever stop this shit. I pray God with me when I hit the road. I done been on that bitch so many times. Did it so many times. I done did it so many times. Now my old coon go and get it for me. I done did that shit too many times.